Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you are watching the pre-market show. Today is the 17th of May, and let us look into how the US markets closed last night and what we can expect in the markets today. So obviously keeping an eye on SGX Nifty for the day, we can see that it's trading very flat, obviously taking cues from the global markets, which also ended in quite flat last night. So US markets have actually ended uh, very much almost same as yesterday. So US market, let me tell you, we can see that the S&P 500 has ended slightly in the red, while Nasdaq and Dow have both ended slightly in the green. And right now the US futures are all trading in the green, all three of them. And the Asian markets, the Hong Kong market, the UK market, all of them are trading in the green. Even the Hang Seng market is showing quite the strength, with up by 2.27 percentage because of the China economy, which is opening up. So that can have a major impact on the index. So that is how the global markets are set up right now. So everything looks mildly positive, so which is something to look into, because of that continuous downfall that has been seen in the last week especially have brought the sentiments down very much. Talking about India VIX, we have seen yesterday that the India VIX had again slightly shot up towards the end, ending at 4.4 percentage. But the good thing is the US VIX again came down yesterday. You can see there has been a continuous downtrend for the past 5 days in the US VIX, which is now trading at around 27, which is below 30. So that is something good for the US VIX. Hopefully the Indian VIX should also come down soon. It is almost close to 25, so and it is on an uptrend. So this is about the VIX. And talking about the crude oil, so which we were seeing for the last night's post-market show as well, that the US oil, which means the crude oil, is again inching higher. It is around 113 level. This was the price it touched around 24th of March. So that is something to look into, because the India is a crude oil importing country, and rising of crude oil is not good for the economy. And also USD INR, if we consider, it is again at quite a high level. Yesterday it again became showed another weakest point in history by touching almost 77.8 actually, which is very close to 78. So rupee depreciating so fast is again a concern for the economy. So this is about the data from the global markets and how it can affect the Indian market. And SGX Nifty, again, it's trading right now, it's very flat, but slightly the green, which is good to see. And again, like I told in the previous video, that flat openings are actually good because it can show the direction of the market. And if there is either gap up or gap down, so gap ups are usually sold into and gap downs are usually bought into. And talking about Nifty, the important levels to watch out is obviously the all important 15,740 level, which the market had taken support for the last 3 days. So that is something to look into. Hopefully it is protected today as well, and if that is broken, we can expect further downside, Nifty to fall to 15,670, which was the low made on 8th of March. And on the upside, we can expect 16,000 to be a good level for Nifty. And below that, we have 15,860 and 15,920 as the immediate resistance. And 16,000, if it is broken on the upside and we close in the green above 16,000, we can expect further up move in the coming days. And talking about Bank Nifty has shown quite a bit of positiveness because of all the financial sectors and banking stocks outperforming yesterday. So the Bank Nifty ended in the green, up by almost 1.5 percentage yesterday. So Bank Nifty has shown strength. It took support around 33,000, which was again the low for the last 2 days, and from there it reversed. And let us see how it trades today. So for that bank nifty, the immediate resistance levels are 34,000, and on the upside it's 34,800, and on the downside obviously 33,000 is again a major support zone for bank nifty. So this is how the things are looking right now. The markets are trading absolutely flat, as I told you. Talking about the important data which is going to be announced first, 10 o'clock, is the LIC IPO, which is going to get listed on the stock exchange. It is still trading at a gray market discount. So investors who have invested for the IPO and got the allotment wouldn't be very happy for that. But the people who did not get allotment can look this as an opportunity to acquire some of the LIC shares at a cheaper price. So maybe you can invest a bit of your money in the LIC IPO because it is a fundamentally strong company, and the valuation is also quite decent. And talking about the other data that is coming out is around 12 o'clock we will be getting the data for the wholesale price inflation. So let me show you. Yes, around 12 o'clock we get the data for WPI, manufacturing, food, fuel and inflation for the India. So this will be announced around today at around 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. and let us see the inflation data. So this is not that important, but it can affect the market in the short term. So this is a data that is coming out today. And talking about other things, Bharti Airtel results are going to be announced today after market hours. Now Bharti Airtel is one of the heavyweight in the Nifty 50, not the top 7 stocks, but after that it comes. So Bharti Airtel yesterday took support around 680 level, and from there it reversed. So it is an important level, as you can see, 680 level. It has been respected many times in the past as well. So from there it reversed. So hopefully it can trade above that level. And we are seeing some kind of positivity in the telecom sector stocks as well, with Vodafone Idea going up by 12.5% yesterday. So we can expect, if the Airtel results are good, it can bring more positivity in the market, especially in the telecom sector. And so this is the important data, and it will be announced post market. So on the results of this, Bharti Airtel will be reflected tomorrow in tomorrow's trade session. And one more data to talk about is at night around 11:30, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell will be speaking, and so his speech is going to be closely watched, and to see that what we can expect in the coming days. Will we expect further rate hikes for the US inflation, which is on an uptrend? And so that is something the markets will react to tomorrow morning as well. So with that, we will end the show here. For the further updates, the things that happened in the day, we shall be meeting up again at 11:15 p.m. for the post-market show, where we shall discuss all the important happenings of the day. So with that, I will be ending the live stream here, and hope you have a good day. Thank you for watching.